If you're losing collagen, try these 7 foods to restore your youthful glow. A sufficient amount of collagen is required for youthful skin. So, incorporate these 7 collagen-rich foods into your diet. Don't we all want skin that is youthful, glowing, and wrinkle-free? If you already have it, your body has enough collagen. If you don't, you may have a collagen deficiency. Collagen is a protein that your skin requires to stay supple and to improve blood circulation. However, when it comes to its sources, some people believe that only the level of collagen has an effect on the skin. However, the quality of collagen is even more important. That's why we're going to tell you about some collagen-rich foods that can keep your skin soft, smooth, and firm. Collagen contains 19 amino acids, including glycine, proline, hydroxyproline, lysine, and arginine. The body produces significantly less collagen as we age, reducing epidermal thickness and skin flexibility. As a result, the skin is damaged, resulting in more wrinkles, creepy skin, and drooping skin. Low collagen levels can also prevent new hair growth and result in hair loss. Collagen deficiency may also result in stiffer and less flexible tendons and ligaments, shrinking and weakening muscles, joint pain, osteoarthritis, and gastrointestinal issues. So, here we are with foods that can help your body produce more collagen. Here are 7 food sources of collagen. 1. Fish and shellfish. Fish and their skin, which are naturally high in amino acids and omega-3 fatty acids, are a good source of collagen peptides, which help the body produce more collagen. According to research, marine collagen is one of the easiest to absorb. 2. Bean. Beans are high in proteins that aid in collagen synthesis and are high in amino acids. Aside from that, the presence of copper beans promotes cell regeneration and collagen production. 3. Egg whites. Proline, one of the amino acids required for collagen production, is abundant in egg whites. 4. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C is essential for the formation of pro-collagen, the body's precursor to collagen. As a result, getting enough vitamin C is critical. Berries and other citrus fruits provide similar benefits. 5. Garlic. Garlic contains a lot of sulfur, a trace mineral that helps with collagen synthesis and keeps it from deteriorating. Raw garlic contains the highest concentration of nutrients and antioxidants, which aids in collagen production and overall health. 6. Leafy greens. Aside from antioxidants, leafy greens contain chlorophyll, which increases the precursor to collagen in the skin. 7. Quinoa. Quinoa helps the skin fight free radicals and prevents collagen breakdown or loss in the body's cells. As a result, it is one of the most effective anti-aging grains available. To support your body's collagen production, choose high collagen animal or plant foods, as well as vitamin and mineral-rich fruits and vegetables. Avoid processed sugar and carbohydrates because they can irritate the body and harm collagen, which helps you look and feel younger.